In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix PS5 lag. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, you could have like internet lag or you might have performance issues lag. So there's two different things that we're going to go ahead and do. The first thing is we're going to go to settings. We're going to have a lot of different options here, but go to saved data and game/app settings like so, and then go to game presets. Now it's going to have performance mode or resolution mode, so we want to change that from game default to performance mode. Then if you're having any FPS issues or anything like that, you basically want it on performance mode instead, so everything is going to be a lot smoother. Now the next thing you want to do is go out of that and then go over to network like so, go to settings and make sure connect to the internet is enabled. Obviously where it says set up connection, you can use a wireless connection, but the best thing to do is use a wired LAN connection. When you go ahead and do that, you're going to have the most stable internet possible, which is going to reduce any lag you're having. But yeah, it's as simple as that. Now if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.